Hmm? Morning, grade 2.
Hello?
Okay, so good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Yes, let's just wait for the others to join. Why is your face like that, Abby?
I don't know why.
Let's see who's here and who's not here. Let me check.
I'm here.
Okay. Where is not Ninia? Sophia?
The eldest is gonna be late again.
Aldez? Oh, Ninia is here. Sophia and Aldez. Yeah, I guess it's Sophia and Aldez and Andre and Adrian.
Sophia's here.
Johan.
Sophia's here.
Sean, where is Sean?
Sean is here also. Oh, yeah.
But Denise is not here. Eliza. Where's Eliza?
Eliza.
Yeah, Eliza.
Teacher, why is Aldez always late? I don't know. Where's Eliza? Oh, Eliza's here now.
Okay, what day is it today? Today is
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Subject that and our first subject for today is So last time in our topic we discussed about heat and light. Can you still remember heat and light? So we discussed about the sun being the main source of heat and light. So it becomes dark and cool when the sun sets in the evening, and it becomes warm and bright when the sun sets in sky. So also the sun is very useful to us because of its heat and light. Why? Why do you think that it's helpful to us? It's useful.
Me.
Yes?
Because it gives us nutrients. So without nutrients, we cannot grow. And we cannot, the sunlight gives us nutrients. So the body will grow.
Okay, so it gives us
The sun gives us vitamin D.
D. Okay. So what is the
So
use
that's how
of
they
vitamin
made
D?
the vitamins. That's how they made the vitamins.
Do you
With
know
the
what's
sun.
the use of the vitamin D? Anyone?
Keeps you
Huh?
healthy. Keeps you healthy.
It gives you
Healthy.
healthy.
Yeah. It gives you healthy. And strong.
Yes. Actually, vitamin D is good for our skin, bones, so on. It's so useful to us because it actually it is.
So does that mean it's already doing my skin? It's shining. I'm gonna close my curtains. It's too bright.
It actually helps us fight against sickness as well. Okay.
So the sun is fighting away the corona.
Yeah. The sun can actually take away the virus. But we should also like drink vitamin C aside from vitamin D, because vitamin C, it helps boost our immune system. Yeah.
How about if you drink vitamin A? Is that
What?
good?
Vitamin A? Huh? Yes, you should also drink vitamin A because it's also helpful. You know what they said? Vitamins from A to Z. That's
A
why
to
you
Z,
need.
so there is vitamins S.
Who
It
knows,
doesn't.
right?
I know. What if they make it?
Okay, so
The sun nutrient.
mm,
If you it comes from the sun.
So card is this week.
okay, so let's continue now. So other sources of heat and light can also be found in other things, right? So some of the sources of heat, we can actually have it through heater, firewood, cow dung, gas stove, and coal. And then other sources of light can also be found from tube light, bulb, candle, torch, lantern, car headlights. So those are yes.
I thought this was an owl, the last one, the next to the lantern. I thought it was an
No,
owl.
those are car headlights. So here are some of the uses of the heat. So for the uses of the heat, we need heat from heaters to keep ourselves warm during winters. Unfortunately, we don't have winter in here, right?
But if in Canada, there's a lot of countries that have some winters.
But not in
Some with the
Philippines.
sun.
But in Baguio, they have this very cold climate, right? It's
I
actually
went to
Baguio.
Baguio before.
That's why in Baguio, some people really need heater and hot water for the shower.
Baguio wasn't really cold.
No, it's cold during bare months, I
I
guess.
don't like Baguio teacher. It's always red. I still wanted to put the aircon on.
They just had this hailstorm last time. You see
Hailstorm.
hailstorm.
Teacher.
The big
Oh, you
ice
mean like
raining
this
with
giant
big.
storm?
Oh, I know what's hail. It's like the circle that rubs in your head.
Oh, yeah, like the hail in the other
Exactly.
place.
Okay, so
It's not a video.
Okay, so we also need heat from stoves or firewood to cook our food, right? We need them. You guys eat raw meat?
No. No.
Say the same thing answer when we were discovering chickens. Said, do you eat meat? You said it again this time.
Huh?
You said raw meat again this time. Do you want to eat raw meat? But you always said that.
Yes, because some people like eating raw meat.
Yeah.
They like it. I don't know why.
Just like sushi, teacher.
Yeah, sushi is okay, but you know,
Yeah,
meat
sushi is
itself from the cow, the pig, like that, raw ones. Okay, so let's continue now. We also discussed that we also need hot water from geysers to have a bath in the morning. So in cold places, we don't have it here.
Yes.
We also need the sun's heat to dry our clothes after washing. And then the uses of light, we discussed about the uses of light as well. So we need light to be able to read and work when it is dark.
And to
we also
see.
need light to be able to drive on the road at night, right? Without headlights, it's actually prone to accidents. And we need light to cook our dinner.
I'm also teacher, when there's no headlights and there's lots of cars in the traffic, you cannot even see, and when they're moving, you're just gonna crash to every time.
Exactly.
Teacher, do you know the cold makes me happy? The cold makes me happy.
Really? You're like Elsa then. The cold never bothers me anyway. Okay, so let's see if you truly understand our topic for today. So I prepared a quizzes that we have to join in. Kindly click the link in the chat box, please.
Yeah, let's quizzes. Go to that one.
I am an avocado.
Wait, teacher.
So spicy.
What's spicy?
People, teacher. Oh, 5 people. No,
last night I actually made a dynamite. Do you know dynamite?
Yes.
Yes, I made one last night, and it's so spicy until now.
Can you make your BTS?
The hotness still clings to my fingers.
Teacher, what kind of dynamite?
Dynamite food. No, with meat and cheese.
I thought it's a dynamite from BTS.
No.
BTS.
Teacher, there is 9 people.
Huh?
There's 9 people. Oh, 14 now. 14 people, teacher.
Yes, there's.
I see. Alex is next to Natalia and Seth.
Who's next to me? I don't see it.
Yeah.
Abby beside Natalia and Anthony.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you guys ready? Let's see. Do you have Adrian there? Zachary, Byron, Eliza, Sophia, Andre, Abby. How did you do this, Abby? Steph.
Which one?
With colors.
I just go to the emoji and make all of colors.
Elisa, Yuli, and Nicole, and don't get ready for it. Well, is electric energy. I couldn't see the pictures properly. Oh wait, I got correct.
Me too.
I made an accident and it said I literally got correct and I just made an accident.
That was actually the correct answer because blow drying her hair is hot.
Okay, so let's.
Leaving all of it.
So you have here Eliza, you, Nico, and Cherish are shown.
Oh,
Get ready for the
You and Nicole and Cherish.
Girl is using heat and electrical energy. Of course, it's the blower. Hair dryer or hair blower. Next.
Tracy's family is on.
So Tracy's family is on a camping trip. Tracy's mom uses the campfire to cook soup for dinner. So which form of energy is being used to cook the soup?
I
Electrical, heat, light, or sound?
I just press something.
Who's in first place?
I'm in first place.
You guys are so quick in answering this one.
Yes, it's easy. We know
Okay, so
it.
you have heat. Number 3.
We know, but we don't read it. We just answer.
What's the most likely reason that light is used for baby chicks? Baby chicks cannot be left in the dark. Baby chicks need to warm that the light gives off. The baby chicks need to be cooled off by the
I
light.
pressed something
Baby
random,
chicks
an accident.
to be able to see their mother.
I pressed something an accident. I need to see.
Titan.
Why is everyone sound so quiet?
Don't know, Abby.
Nature. I don't know. I don't know.
Aldes, where is Aldes?
He's gonna be late once again.
Oh, he just joined in.
Okay.
No, I got disconnected.
Oh, okay. Can you log in again, Aldes?
Oh, Abby, did you got correct?
No.
Okay, so the correct answer
Baby,
is
the baby chick needs to warm that the light gives off.
yes, they need warmth. Okay, next. Number 4.
What is the needs of a light over the greenhouse?
Why is there a need for a light over the greenhouse? Why? Because the light keeps the plants warm. The light cools the plant off.
Plants cannot be left in the
Plants
dark.
must have different amounts of artificial light or they will all die, or plants cannot be left in the dark. Why is there a need for a light over the greenhouse? Yeah, this. As we all know that many lights are used in the farm.
I got correct.
The correct answer is the light keep the plants warm.
Actually,
Also, the light provides food for the plants, right? Photosynthesis.
oh yes, the sun.
Like before.
The following.
So which of the following in the picture above are not true? Are not using light as a heat source? So which
What's a
one?
cow?
Chick, calf, plants, or farmhouse?
What's
Not.
a cow?
Which of the following in the picture above are not using light as a heat source?
Teacher, what's a cow?
Calf. It's a baby cow.
Oh.
Calf.
I'm in fourth place.
I'm in first place.
Abby's gonna win.
Nah. If someone's in first place also, if they have higher coins than me, they have a chance to win.
I have 2,000.
As what we all know that the farmhouse actually doesn't need light because they also have their own light. Just
they only have their light bulb.
Not really, but other farmhouse they uses like solar panel to get electricity from the sun.
Oh.
It actually depends. So number six.
Okay,
Number six, you have here
Lamp,
Julie
lamp,
has a desk lamp and a candle. She
light
leaves the candle lit
for 3 minutes.
for 3 minutes and she leaves the desk lamp on for 30 minutes. So, which statement is true about the lamp and the candle after 30 minutes? The candle will be colder than when she turned the lamp on. The lamp's
have a lamp also.
when she turned the lamp on, or they will be both the same temperature as before she turned the lamp on, or the candle will be warmer than the lamp's bulb. Which one do you think is the correct answer?
There's a lot of words.
So I want you to take your time in reading.
But if we take our time, we will, even though we get the correct answer, we still gonna get to a higher place.
Please. Abby, did you got correct?
Yeah. How about you?
What, you got correct?
No, I didn't.
Okay, so the correct answer is, so the lamp's bulb will be warmer than when she turned the lamp on. Next. So Kaylee conducts an investigation and she sets a small slice of butter under a lamp and turns the lamp on. Then she returned after 5 minutes and finds that the butter has melted. So which is the best statement explain what happened? The butter melted because it was soft. The butter melted from the temperature of the room. The butter melted because the lamp produces light energy, or the butter melted because the lamp produces light and heat. Which one do you think is the correct answer? He set a small slice of butter under a lamp.
Please.
Correct.
Yes, it's correct. Okay, correct. It actually produces light and heat. That's why. Next, number 8. So the sun is around 93 million miles away from the earth and it provides the energy and warmth needed to support light. So what would happen to life on earth if the sun was the same? What do you think will happen?
If there was no sun, the earth will be...
Can you see this? So this is the sun and this is the earth. Now what do you think will happen to us if the distance that we do have is the same distance that Neptune have? So life on earth would adjust to the warmer temperatures. Life on earth would adjust to the colder temperatures. Earth would be too hot to sustain life, or earth would be too cold to sustain life. What do you think will happen if
I feel like
earth has the same distance with Neptune? You have here
Neptune, the blue Neptune.
Yes, what do you think would happen?
I think I don't know that much. Like the sun is around 92 million miles away from the earth. Doesn't that look hard?
Sophia.
I answered the correct answer.
What was the correct answer?
Okay, so only one got the correct answer.
To sustain life.
Who got the correct answer?
I did.
was gonna be it, but
I did answer the correct answer.
Only one got the correct answer.
I thought everyone knew, it was obvious.
Oh, no
It's
way. Look at this one. If you're going to take a look at the picture here, you have Earth as the third planet in the universe, right? I mean, in the solar system. You have here Earth, which is actually a bit closer to the sun, but not too close that it can burn. And then Neptune is too far away from the sun, and it actually cannot like get a heat from the sun due to the big planets before it. You have the Jupiter and then Saturn. So tendency is that Earth would be too cold to sustain life, and it's too dark as well. Okay, next, number 9.
Okay.
So you have for number 9, the chart shows the temperature over a week, and it was sunny most of the week. But one of the days, it was very cloudy and only partly sun. Based on the chart, which day was most likely cloudy? Which one do you think is most likely cloudy? Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, or Friday?
How about today?
So which one do you think is mostly cloudy?
Teacher, which do you think is like cloudy? Yesterday or this day?
I think yesterday.
Okay.
But it's still hot though. Like I always take a shower all the time.
Because it's summer and my mom told me when summer ends, it's gonna be rainy season.
Yes, that's true. Like every day I have to take 3 showers. It's so hot. Right, so you have. Well, let's see you. Sean and Natalia.
Probably gonna get wrong.
Where's Natalia?
Oh. Everyone is frozen.
Have you experienced chicken pox?
She was in class. I saw her name in class though. I don't know where she is.
Natalia, are you done? What happened?
Maybe she disconnected.
Yeah, I think it got stuck.
Bad internet.
It's okay.
Yeah, I got correct.
It's Thursday. Okay, next question, number 10, last question.
Okay.
So in the hot desert, many animals are nocturnal. This means that they sleep during day and active at night. So which of the following best explain why there are a large number of nocturnal animals in the desert? The desert is very hot and uncomfortable during daytime. There is too much competition for food during daytime, so it's easier to hunt in the nighttime. The temperature in the desert is much higher at night, so it is uncomfortable to be out and about then. Or the temperature in the desert is much cooler at night, so it does not require as much energy to be active then. So which one do you think is the reason why there are lots of nocturnal in the desert?
And starting to be gloomy. Let's open our curtains and say hello to the sky. Outside looks gloomy here in Manila.
I feel like it's hot in Manila right now.
No, it kind of looks gloomy outside.
How is the COVID case in Manila right now, Abby? Is it still
It's
increasing?
I don't know. It's still not letting kids to go out. Even in the swimming pool. So I'm stuck at home.
Yeah, because I guess the case is still increasing up until now.
Let's check who win.
Okay, so let's check. Okay, so you got first placer. You have Abby, followed by Seth and Micah. Well, the rest
There's
of
a lot of wrongs in the 8th one.
yes, exactly. Who's that one
Why
person?
me and Teacher, why me and Alexandra and Zachary are 7th place?
Yeah, because you guys answered the same accuracy and same.
Oh, okay. They all have the same minds.
I just got
Wait.
just like before when I was first place and somebody else was first place. I forgot that.
Alright, so I guess that's it for today.
That was fun.
That's it for this time. Let's see each other again later in Okay, goodbye everyone and see you later.
Bye.
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 Bye.